Hey YouTube, it's Wes. Hope you guys are doing great on a Saturday. Man, the weather is beautiful today here in Tampa. Had an opportunity to jump in the pool, swim some laps. It's been a while since I've been able to do that, and really good to get into that. You know, I just jumped out and got back out of the pool and I checked the crypto markets and we're still blowing up. Things are still going crazy. And I wanted to give you some quick Saturday commentary on all of this. So when we first saw the market really begin to crash down after Bitcoin hit 60,000, and really in May, it really began to topple and fall down. You know, I was pretty much buckled in and ready for this to be 6 to 8 months of a complete bear market where we're going to either trade sideways, we'll see continued reductions, you know, a few of those bull traps where you see it kind of climb a little bit but not do a lot. And, you know, you have to understand from my perspective, I've been in this crypto world since at least 2012, 2013, and I've been through so many of these market bull runs where it goes to, at least at all-time highs, it seemed meteoric and insanely high, only to drop way down. I remember the 2019 crash when Bitcoin went up to 20,000 and it nosedived, and it was over a year before we saw a real recovery. So I was getting ready for all of that. And as we saw Bitcoin begin to kind of come up a little bit this week, and test against that 40,000 and really eat up a lot of the shorts that were there, it finally blew past 40,000 and up we go. So some commentary on all of that. First of all, I don't like getting into a lot of technical analysis on this channel. It's really not my thing, but I will tell you this. My thoughts on this are, I think let's be patient and let's see what happened, because, you know, when you think about it this way, there's the short-term memories are still here in the crypto market, right? A lot of people that jumped into crypto really recently because of it blowing up only to see it fall apart have lost some money. And a lot of times it takes people a significant amount of time, many months, for it to really sink in and say, man, this crypto market is falling down and, you know, it's not coming back, and I think I lost my investment. That happens pretty commonly, right? And so what I want you to think about, I want you to be aware of is simply this. Typically that takes months. Well, we didn't have many months of this. And so it won't surprise me to see a lot of people with those short-term memories that feel like they got in too late and then it crashed down, and they see it come back up and like, now's my chance. I need to get in on it now. And that can drive this market up. It can drive this economy up for a very short period of time. So, you know, I think one of two things are going to happen. Bitcoin's going to race past 60,000 and go way past what we thought it would ever hit this year, maybe even into six figures is possible, or we're going to see it continue to grow and spike and get close to that 50,000 threshold and never get past maybe 50, 60 at the highest and come right back down again, because the mind of the buyer is still very short term. The short term memory is still there. And I do think there's a real capability for that. So I'm going to be watching it. It's very curious, but I've had a lot of people ask me what I think about this whole run on the market right now. What is it looking like? And that's really my thoughts for you overall, is I'm patiently waiting. I'm not going to buy a bunch right now. I'm just going to wait and see what's going to kind of shake out of this one. And we'll see how long this may be. It's just an interesting one because, you know, when crypto fell down like it did in May, to me, it seemed like it was going to take a lot longer to recover than it did, and it may still. So just a warning sign that's there for all of you, just from somebody who's been through this many times in the past. Be careful in your investments at this point in time. We need to give this a few more weeks and really see what the market wants to do, and really see where crypto is going to go over this amount of time. So hopefully that helps you on a Saturday. And if you got any other questions, want to know anything else, let me know. Comments down below. And hey, while you're at it, like and subscribe goes a long way for my channel. I know we all say it, but it really does. All right, guys, thanks so much.